Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota 4Runner maintenance light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, locate the trip meter reset button on your dashboard and press it firmly. While holding that button down, turn the ignition completely off, then immediately back to the on position. Keep holding the button until the light resets, which usually takes about 10 seconds. Once you've completed the steps, the maintenance light should flash a few times and then completely turn off. This indicates a successful reset. You can then release the trip meter reset button. If, for any reason, the light stays illuminated, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to ensure the system registers the reset correctly. Before attempting a reset, always ensure that your vehicle has received all its scheduled maintenance. The light is there for a reason, after all. If the maintenance light continues to stay on after multiple reset attempts, it could signal a more significant underlying problem with your vehicle's systems. In such cases, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. They can perform a proper diagnostic check to identify and resolve any potential issues. Keeping up with routine maintenance is crucial for your Toyota 4Runner's longevity and performance. Simple tasks like regular oil changes can significantly extend your engine's life, and checking your tire pressure monthly helps maintain optimal fuel efficiency and safety. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. A well-maintained vehicle is a happy vehicle, and a fresh-smelling one makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.